So this is my first time terminating a fiber optic cable. This is the type, the ADSS, ADSS. So those are the tools I use. Only the fiber cleaver, this one here, and I got the fiber stripper, and then I got the visual fault locator, and I got some alcohol. I got some fiber optic cleaning. We put it is 200 inside. Okay, and I got the yellow patch cable, LC to SC UPC single mode, and it's going to my switch connected to the SFP port. As you can see, it's connected to the SFP port. Okay, and then because I got only one switch, I had to get this media converter here. Okay, it converts fiber to a network port, as you can see here. Okay, and then I got those connectors here, fast fiber connectors, SC UPC. Okay, and then I got the Midcoupler, this one here in the middle, this one here. Okay, it's ST to ST. That's all. And this is my first time to do it. Using this ADSS fiber. There's 12 core. There is a 6 here, and then 6 on this one. I was told there's even 24 core. You can see the small, those are the core of fiber I use. As you can see here, very tiny. It's gonna focus there, as you can see. And then I already used this one. Those are the drop fiber single mode. It's got only 2 core. You can see it here. If you can see, okay. The cable go like this, and it's come here. But we still got another coupler here. As you can see,